The legends were true. It exists. Oh man. So heavy. Yes! Finally!
Hello! Hi! How's it going? I finally got it! I got the 10 million subscriber plaque. I think it's pretty much just because Felix made a big stink about his, but I got it as collateral damage, which is just as good as anything about getting it out of pure merit. But it's really cool, and it's really heavy, and this probably shouldn't have been the first thought when I got it, but I imagined how easy it would be to beat someone to death with it, which probably reveals something very bad about my personality, but I got it, and it's so cool! I know I shouldn't say that cliche so much, but it's really, really awesome, and I only have you guys to thank for it, and I actually don't know what I'm gonna do with it, because I'm not one for awards, I'm not one for collectibles, I'm not one for keepsakes and stuff like that, but this is special.
Here we go. For fuck's sake.
The way your son don't need a gun to get respect up on the street. Under the sun, the bastard son will pop the clock to feed himself and family. By any means, your enemies, my enemies, we wet them up like a canteen. The yellow tank surrounds the face, don't have a face, so now you late, open the gates. Great, eliminate like a lemonade. Hey, young boy had to penetrate. Face, young boy done caught a case. Bang, now I'm living with the pain.
Bruh, one in like 50 people have this. Mad. I think I can comfortably say I'm the only black guy in the world that has this. On a real note, thank you guys so much for allowing me to have this and allowing me to brag to other YouTubers how much more superior I am compared to them.
Fuck you, JJ.
I will.
Today, we've got some exciting things here today. We're gonna be opening up some mail. I know you guys probably didn't expect that. We wound up getting this weird package. It's freaking heavy. Really heavy. But as you can see, that is a...
They call me Weenie Man!
That is a weenie. Don't... Let me open the
They call
package.
me Weenie Man! That was my weenie!
All right, so as you can see, it says YouTube on here. I don't know what it is. I do know what it is. It's my diamond play button. Guys, I got my diamond play button.
It's finally here! Look! My diamond play button!
I'm chewing pizza right now. It's kind of rude. But yeah, guys, check it out. My diamond play button finally came. This is absolutely amazing. Let me just get it out of the packet. Now, I cannot stress to you how heavy this thing is, but look at it. Yes. This is amazing, guys. I just can't stress how amazing this is. Look, the play button in the middle is kind of like a diamond effect and it sticks out a little bit, which is what I'm trying to show you there. It is so heavy. I mean, the gold ones are heavy, but I think this one could be almost the same, even though it's a lot smaller. But check this out. It's gonna get fingerprints all over it, and on the back you can see a big reflection of my recording setup, but it says the Diamond Minecart. Congratulations on surpassing 10 million subscribers. And if you didn't know, that is what YouTube give you for surpassing 10 million subscribers. A big old diamond YouTube button. Now, there aren't many people that have been given this award, so you know what? This isn't just my award. This is our award.
So bitches. Algunas personas ganan 100.000, la cosita de los 100.000. Algunas personas ganan la cosita del millón. Y algunas personas ganan el botón de diamante. Y otras personas más cool ganan dos cosas de diamante. So bitches. Ah, ¿lo ven? Pesan mucho. No, pero ya en serio. Bueno, chicos, quería contarles que hoy en la tarde me dieron los dos botones de diamante por, aquí está, por Hola Soy Germán y por Juega Germán. Me los dieron hoy por llegar a los 10 millones de suscriptores en cada canal. O sea, en Hola Soy Germán ya van 28, pero ya saben, más de 10 millones. Y en Juega Germán ya van más de 13 millones. Porque están muy pesados, al parecer. Si son de diamantes. No.
Reproducción que en sí es la plaquita, carajo. Así que vamos a abrir esto. Y aquí está, se los enseño más o menos cómo viene, porque quiero que vean, porque no es algo que se vea todos los días. Es más, si no me equivoco, esto solo lo tiene 7 personas hispanohablantes en todo el mundo. Entre ellos está el mío. Gracias a todos ustedes. ¡Boom! Y bien, señores, aquí la tienen. La placa de diamante. Se la voy a acercar ahí para que la puedan ver, la puedan apreciar, la puedan oler. Ay, Dios mío, pero no la pueden tocar, porque el único que la puede tocar soy yo, carajo. Pero bueno, yo les digo cómo se siente. ¿Se siente?
Vamos, boys.
Yes! Oh my god! Yes! Oh my god!
Bueno, vamos a calmarnos, ¿vale? Vamos a sacarlo de la caja. ¡Madre mía! Creo que pesa más que el que me dieron, ¿eh? ¡Joder, hermano! ¡Dios! Dios, mira, trae algo aquí para limpiar, porque es verdad, hay aquí algunas manchas de...